Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to access Glassdoor reviews without signing up. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a let's say website looking something like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where you have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Glassdoor website where we have a lot of different options. First of all, we are in the community, and here you can post stuff by clicking on the plus button here, and you can post stuff like that. Also, you can search for conversations. You can see that here you have statuses about that people have posted. Also, we have the jobs where you can go and your search for a job starts here. So basically you can click here and find a job and the location of the job that we want. We have the companies where, as you can see, you can find a workplace that works for you. So here you can search for companies and see what that brings you. We have salaries where you can go and see if you are paid enough or fairly. So you just need to click there and search your job and location to see if you're paid fairly. In the top right corner, we again have the search bar. We have the notifications, which I don't have any at the moment. And we have some stuff about your profile and the sign out option. Now guys, let's see how to access Glassdoor reviews without signing up. Unfortunately guys, Glassdoor at the moment it does not support this option because you have to be in the sign in the website for any action that you want to do. So guys, that is basically everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.